Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grammarly app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Grammarly and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.